Hey, good and happy Friday to you. Jim Hanson here, coming to you from Academy Mortgage, 916-730-4402. So, mortgage, real estate, life. Let's start with the life part of that. Life. Okay, so since next week is Thanksgiving, gonna do my thanks now. May or may not get to you next week, who knows? Could pop out and do that. But thank you to my family, my wife, my children, my mom, dad, sister, brothers, all the support people I get from family. Thank you to referral partners for giving referrals and taking referrals from me when I'm able to give those. Friends who are there to support everything that we do as a family, personal, business, that sort of thing. And then past clients as well. Current clients, thank you for giving us an opportunity to help you out. And again, for your support. Okay, that's the life part. Let's move into mortgage. So last week, rates, the consumer price index came out a little bit lower than expected. And that's how they measure inflation from the consumer level. That went down or up less than expected, and rates improved by anywhere from 0.5 to 0.6%. That opens up the door for people that could save $150 a month, depending on what your approval amount is. Save you some money. So fortunately, we got 2 or 3 people locked in last Thursday to interest rates, and those people are super happy. Saved anywhere from $120 to $160 a month. Let's talk about buy downs. Let's talk about thinking outside the box. So we do that in 3 different ways. I'm going to an example right now. Renovation loans, 203K FHA, home style Fannie Mae. We can still do renovations on homes that aren't in tip-top shape in a purchase. So keep in mind a renovation loan. If you want to know more about that, message me, call me, whatever it happens to be. And then one other thing about mortgages is since sellers are participating with credits and negotiating really well, there's this term called VA no-no. We talked about 20 years ago, 10 years ago, when sellers would credit buyers. Since a veteran doesn't have to put money down on a VA loan, they can if they want to, but they don't have to. So it's a 100% loan. You can get the seller to contribute money for closing costs. The veteran can then scoot into their house with no money down, no closing costs, and theoretically they need a little bit of money for the earnest money deposit on the contract, but they can get that back and get into house with little or no money. Super cool. Support our veterans. Keep that in mind. Send them my way as well. And then last thing is there's lots of new agents out there. I'm doing a class I'm going to be putting together. If you're a new agent, a year or less, I'm doing a Lending 101 class. I'll be putting that together here in the next couple weeks. Going to try to get it done the first week of December. And message me, call me if you're interested in that as well. So I know I went a little bit long. Thanks for hanging in there. Jim Hanson, Academy Mortgage, 916-730-4402, jimhanson.net on the web. And have a good one. Have a super awesome weekend. We'll check in soon. Thank you. Bye.